Tired of unpredictable costs for log management and SIEM licenses? Many businesses face escalating expenses due to log volumes and EPS-based pricing. But what if there was a way to cut these costs without replacing your current SIEM? If your SIEM license is based on log volumes or EPS, now you can collect data from any sources and forward only the needed information to your existing SIEM, or upgrade SGBox Advanced Log Management to an upper level and replace your existing SIEM log management solution. SGBox isn't just a log management tool, it offers additional security features. Enjoy basic event log correlation, Microsoft Active Directory auditing, and an embedded SNMP system monitor. Customize your reporting system and set thresholds for system parameters. SGBox Advanced Log Management is available to be installed on-premise or cloud, and if you prefer to concentrate on your core activities, add your choices of our remote management services at a reasonable price. SGBox collects all logs to get real-time and centralized visibility across the entire IT infrastructure. SGBox supports seamless integration, ensuring scalability for your business needs. By adopting SGBox, you'll streamline log management and reduce costs. Ready to transform your log management strategy? Contact us today to be contacted from our local business manager, valued added distributor, or one of our business partners.